Ang dami kasing nagtanong guys kung paano i-sign out yung Netflix sa Smart TV. So ito, gagawa ko ng isang video kung paano i-sign out yung Netflix. Mag-demonstrate ako dito. Napakita ko sa inyo. Ganito guys, i-try natin kung paano mag-sign out sa Netflix app mo dito sa Smart TV or any Smart TV. So this one, we have TCL Smart TV, and then this is how to do it. Simple lang guys. So ito, up, up, down, down, left, right, up, 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 up. So i-try natin sa sa Netflix natin. Up, up, down, down, left, right, up, 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 up. So ito na. So, makikita niyo dito yung, yan, get help. And then, at the bottom, this one, this is the sign out. And you have to click that. Then, this one, are you sure that you want to sign out? So, yes. So, after pressing yes, so, yun na, nag-sign out ka na. Just step lang. Yan lang. Thank you so much for watching.